When you're driving through southern Idaho on Highway 75, you'll see the sign for Idaho's Mammoth Cave and Shoshone Burr Museum of Natural History, 8 miles north of Shoshone. If you take the time to drive the dusty mile off of the highway, you'll discover what a beautiful diamond in the rough awaits you, and what a rich history it has. It is a place where ancient lava flows scar the land, and where harsh winter winds and snow provide nourishment for exploding wildflowers and lush sagebrush. The founder, Richard Arthur Olson, was an eccentric man with an unbelievable love for nature, history, and the outdoors. He was an avid hunter and collector who traveled the world and brought back nearly everything you could imagine. His collection is an unbelievable mix of animal and bird mounts, long-forgotten fossils, and artifacts of ancient people. He was his own taxidermist, and most of the mounted animals you will see here are from the careful work of his own hands. As one of the most unique things to do in Idaho, the cave has a well-established trail, and lanterns are provided. If you have flashlights, they are always good to bring along. Wearing a light jacket is recommended because the cave keeps a consistent 41 degrees year-round. It is a self-guided tour that takes about a half an hour to complete. You walk about a quarter mile in and a quarter mile out. With special permission, experienced spelunkers may go to the very end of the cave that goes another quarter mile from the stopping point. There is no trail there, and it is difficult to walk. We hope that when you drive by the Mammoth Cave sign on the highway, that you'll take the chance and experience something that's rarely found. We guarantee that you will find it worth your while and will look forward to coming back again and again. Alright guys, we are at Mammoth Cave here in Idaho. We're going to check this place out. As a high school senior, Richard Arthur Olson rediscovered the cave in 1954 while hunting bobcats in the area. He was with a girlfriend at the time and stumbled across the entrance by accident. He talked her into exploring the cave with just a single flashlight. He loved to chuckle around about how they made their way through the cavern, his excitement and imagination growing the whole time. Expecting to find treasure at any moment, his girlfriend, scared and unhappy, cried the whole way in and the whole way out. It was love at first sight for him, and he later decided that he wanted to share this beautiful cavern with the world. He began with several different ideas, deciding first to homestead it under the Small Tracts Act by raising mushrooms in the perfect dark and damp conditions. You can still walk over the remnants of these mushrooms today as you explore the cave, but don't eat them because they have grown poisonous over such a long period of time. After the mushroom venture didn't work out quite as he planned, he decided to share his dream with the world. At the time, he had just a single diesel-powered generator that powered lights in the cave. They didn't prove too successful either because if the generator ran out of fuel, or, on most occasions, just plain broke down, it would leave the visitors stranded in the dark, and Richard would have to go down and rescue them himself. Later on, he decided to use propane lanterns that lasted for many hours. Today, we use battery-powered lanterns that have proven very safe, dependable, and successful. Richard built his home next to the cave with the help of his oldest children. It is a 4-story A-frame that was built almost entirely out of wood scraps from a local sawmill. It still stands today along with the first original museum built in the same manner. In the 1960s, during the Cold War, the U.S. government approached Richard about using the cave for a civil defense shelter in case of the United States was ever under attack. They promised him a good graveled road if he would let them put food and supplies in the cave for 8,000 people. There, they built a large platform and supplied food and water for the next 20 years. Alright guys, we're walking down to Mammoth Cave. I think I see another one. Here's another one. See it straight ahead. I'm gonna zoom in on him. Oh, he's eating something. Okay, hold on. Alright guys, we're gonna go and head into Mammoth Cave, Idaho.
Look right there, look at the
Look, fallout shelter. Isn't that cool?
That is cool.
Oh my god, look at this. Oh jeez. This is really gonna be dark.
Oh yeah, it is, you're right.
Alright, you can shine all this wall over here. Alright guys, we're inside of the cave. We're just kind of slowly maneuvering our way through here.
The path, kind of the path.
Yeah, look at this. You guys could kind of see this whole cave. Look, there's the path. And you can see the walkway that we're about to descend down into. It's actually about a quarter mile, they said. And it's warmer in here than it is outside, that's for sure. Okay. I'm actually going to zip my pocket up so I don't lose my phone. You know? Oh man, this is kind of...
Just tell me which direction.
Okay.
Or tap me in the right or left.
It's beautiful, isn't this? Oh man, it's hard to see. Yeah, look at that. These rocks and stuff. It's pretty.
The ceiling's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
It's like layered.
Yeah, I know. Look at that. That's perfect, just how you're doing it. This is really cool, isn't this?
Yeah.
Look at this. Whoa. A little slick there. This.
It's a different kind of cave tour than we're used to.
Yeah, I know. It's like you're
on your own.
It's basically self-guided.
It is, yes.
And the next one we're going to is pitch black. It's like this too, I think. Oh yeah, shine that light over there. You can see all those different colors and stuff. Really white, isn't it?
Yeah.
Looks like it's bleached or something. I'm not sure what it is. That's pretty cool. It's lighting it up pretty good now.
There's some words here, though.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, it says the first cave explorers put their names on the lava walls in 1902. So way back in the distance, there's some inscribings on the wall over there. I'm not sure if that's the right word.
Inscriptions.
Inscriptions. Pretty cool. Over here it says, from time to time, a type of cave bear used the cave for a home in a winter hibernating place. Jeez. I wouldn't want to be in here with a bear, that's for sure. Look at that hole.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's crazy. This is really cool. I like this.
I think we're the only ones in here.
We are. Everyone else is at the museum. Oh my god. You are really going to love Craters of the Moon, the cave there. Seriously. This is so cool though. It's peaceful in here.
It really is. It's so quiet.
Look at that wall. The ceiling too. The ceiling's pretty cool.
The ceiling is really cool.
Looks like magnet or metallic. Okay guys, we got something else over here. It says, spectacular eruptions of volcanoes impressed the ancient civilizations, and destruction was evidence of the wrath of the gods. The ripples in the rock at the top of the cavern was caused by the huge amounts of gas given off. This gas was water vapor with small amounts of sulfur and hydrogen. This cave is in its natural estate. Wow. I need to catch my breath after reading that. Oh my god.
Look at that.
Look at that up there. Oh yeah, look at that.
That's cool.
It's like all different like crystals or
It's
something.
metallic. You see,
Yeah.
We just got
Oh.
like, water.
Look at that. Alright guys, we're gonna keep walking this way. I hear someone. It's actually pretty bright here. Look at this.
The ceiling's pretty cool too.
Oh my god. I have to say, I really like
Look how
this.
dark it is behind us.
I know.
Ooh, wow.
Wait.
We found some of their skull or their bones. I guess.
Well, that was in the other one.
No, these two guys told me they found them here too.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
Wow.
There's a giant arrowhead too. They found it here too. To show you.
Oh my god, look at this part of the cave.
Oh boy.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'll put me hold lightly read it.
Yeah. Okay. This sign over here, guys, it says, most volcanoes are composed of basalt with small bodies of andesite, rhyolite, and obsidian. That's cool. That's why they have those basalt columns that we saw on the first day by Balance Rock. They're like hoodoos almost.
It's like that movie with those chicks.
Oh, the descent.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what if we start seeing some people crawling? Or something.
Are they collecting this water?
I think so. Oh, that's what it was. It was the rain hitting the tarp.
Yeah.
Or the drips. I really like this.
It looks like a subway. You look at it from now. Doesn't it look like a subway? Like they're carving it out for a subway?
Yeah, it looks just like a subway.
Jeez.
Wow, is this cool, man. Alright guys, another sign. Small bats inhabit the cavern. They live to be 15 to 20 years old. They're about half an ounce in weight and have a wingspan of 1 foot. They're harmless to man and do much good because their diet consists of flying insects, so they kill a lot of bugs. And they're actually really good for the environment.
Let's see if we see any though.
I do not see any.
No, I hope we do though.
Oh, you'll see them in Craters of the Moon, for sure. In the cave. I saw them in the cave. But they don't bother you, actually. Oh yeah, there's a temperature gauge. Let me turn my brightness down.
It's 40.
40 degrees. This is really a cool cave, guys. You definitely have to check this out. It's kind of north of Gooding. And you have to drive on this road for a little bit. It's kind of desolate out here. There's really not much out here. Except for a couple cool caves. And they also have a bird museum here we're going to check out.
It has shrunken heads in it. There's all kinds of Mayan stuff.
Oh, it does?
It's very eclectic.
Wow. How would they run electricity out here, you know what I mean? That's why the building, I think, is dark.
This is how caves are supposed to be, but it's too bad, this is the natural cave.
Right. Here we go. I think we're at the end, guys. Alright guys, we're at the end, it looks like. And it says, at this point, the ceiling is about 50 feet high with 50 feet of solid basalt lava rock forming the roof. The cave could have... Wait, what does that say? The cave could make a fine fallout shelter for many people. Well, that's pretty good to know. Caves have affected history by providing refuge to what does it say? Counterfeiter. I can't even read it because all the graffiti people. That's why you guys should leave no trace when you visit these places. Because you're just, I don't know. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Runaway slaves, deserters, hermits, murderers, and moonshiners. The trail ends. Do not go any further. Jeez. There's a ceiling.
Does it still go on?
Yeah, it does. It still goes on. Alright guys, time to head to the museum here. Hi buddy. Can I get by you? Oh god. That's cool. Yeah. Alright guys, we're in the museum now, showcasing a bunch of different animals and stuff, fish.
Now the owner told me that he shot or collected most of these animals himself, and which ones he did he got from private collections.
Jeez. That's crazy. Oh, look at those bones. Isn't that weird? Ooh. That door keeps opening.
Shut it?
Yeah. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Jeez. This room is pretty morbid. Isn't it? They have everything over here. Look at all the arrowheads. Wow. There's like millions of arrowheads over here. Look at those ones.
Look at the moose.
Alright guys, I'm going to just give you a walking tour here of everything. So it looks like over here there's a bunch of Indian native pottery, which is pretty nice. Imagine how old this stuff is. Look at those little figurines over there. That's crazy. Oh look, they have some gas masks. And look at artillery rounds over there. Isn't that sweet?
Yeah.
Look, right here.
I see it. There's a gun too, with the bayonet attached to it right here.
Oh, they got a hammer and sickle.
In the rising sun.
Oh, look at all those feathers and stuff. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Teta would like that.
Oh yeah, for sure. Look at that.
Headdresses. And here's some Peruvian poncho.
Oh wow. Look at this behind with the bird.
Oh my god, look at these.
Oh.
I'm not sure what those are.
I'm not either.
Does it say?
No. What's that?
This is red quartz, it says, from Morocco.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It is pretty. This is one of the coolest, like, showcasings ever that I've ever been to. Isn't it? That looks like a belt up here in that picture up there. That's cool. Oh, look, we saw that in that video. Remember?
Yes, the Alaska dude.
Humpback whale vertebrae.
It's a vertebrae. I'll show Mom that.
Look at that. We found it.
Oh my gosh.
From Outdoor Boys.
Wait.
Alright, guys, we got some other stuff over here. This is an old, looks like a canoe. Look at that, how they carved it out of a solid timber. It's called, what does it say? Sumenep canoe? The Sumenep Regency, Indonesia. That's where this is from.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Oh wow, look at this ammonite over here. That's... Look at what?
There's a porcupine.
Wow. Look at that. What is that? Fossilized, oh, look at that sea lily fossil down here.
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know. That's pretty cool, though.
Let's go back here for these people.
Oh, this looks pretty cool. Some sort of crystal. Not sure what that is exactly.
I can't tell if it's that or if it's coral. This looks like coral from the ocean.
Yeah, it does look like coral.
I bet this is coral. Look at that, there's a squid shell.
Oh my gosh. That's beautiful.
Look at this piece.
Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Oh my god, look at this. Jeez. I think is that a calcite crystal?
It looks like quartz to me.
I think it's a calcite crystal.
That's beautiful, man. That's
Beautiful. Oh my god, a muskox.
Is that a muskox crystal? Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at this.
Yeah, I know, I saw those.
Oh, that's nice.
Those ammonites. They're beautiful.
I love those.
The heck is that up there? Oh, it's a baboon. Oh, you don't want to see those things ever. Those things are really nasty.
Whoa.
Those things will rip your face off. Oh, look at this, Dad. All these different pieces of coral. Mom's gonna love this.
Film this one for her, yeah.
Those are all like calcite crystals. Got some coral over here. Looks like some fan coral. Man, that wind is whipping out there.
I'm gonna send this picture to Tata.
That's a huge pelt on the wall up there, too.
That's the family.
Look at these vases.
Those are Chinese. The blue one is.
Pretty.
Oh, look at this bird. Oh, that's neat.
Oh, look at that.
Cool as hell.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, what do we call from Alaska?
A totem?
Totem pole.
Yeah, look at that. Totem pole.
Let me get a picture of that. It's kind of neat.
Alright, guys, we're in the other section now.
Look at the ceiling.
Look at that amethyst. Beautiful. There we go. What is that? Little wagon, you see that?
Yeah, that's cute. It's old.
Oh wow, look at that one.
It's like the Ming Dynasty vases or whatever.
It's pretty. Gosh, look at that woven basket for fishing.
Jeez.
These are all Mayan artifacts here.
There's supposed to be shrunken heads in here somewhere. Is this one of them?
That's cool.
There's a dinosaur bone behind you.
Okay.
Look at the elephant trunk, too. Elephant trunk.
Jeez. That little elephant.
Oh. What was that?
Huh? Really? Oh my god, look at this ostrich. It's like Liberty Bibbity. Well, look at those ostrich eggs. Jeez, those are huge. Dinosaur tailbone. There's just so much stuff to see here, guys. You could spend hours. Crystals. Birds. Look at that wild boar or whatever that is over there. With the tusks.
Yeah. Warthog.
Oh, Mom would love these jars. Look. For putting beach glass from the Lake Erie.
Yeah.
Look at, there's a thing of insects. Beetles and stuff.
Put that in your bed.
There's another dinosaur bone over there in the case. There's a fossilized dinosaur track. Sardines, fossils.
Those fossils are cool.
Look at that ammonite. That's beautiful.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
That's a gorgeous one. Oh, look at this stuff. This stuff is pretty.
Look at that green one in the back. Oh my god.
Azurite, travertine. Gorgeous stuff.
Jeez.
Beaver skeleton.
Those dragonflies there.
Mammoth tooth. How do they know what this stuff is? I
Oh, you
don't.
got me, man. I can't tell.
It all looks the same. Mammoth tusk.
Oh, you imagine finding that?
Yeah, that'd be a.
That looks pretty delicate, though.
There's some American Indian stuff here. You got some different arrowheads and stuff. I always liked arrowheads.
What is that, a wildebeest?
I think so. That fish.
2 dinosaur ribs from the same dinosaur. They're like blue. Dinosaur egg, look.
Really?
Oh my god, look at that.
There's a dinosaur egg down there, guys. Really cool stuff. I don't know what that is. It says ram skull. What the heck is that thing? I'm not sure what that is. Some old pottery pieces that they found.
This was 100 BC to 100 AD, this piece of pottery, about the time Jesus Christ was teaching the Holy Land and crucified. Oh boy, that's something. Nasty.
Alright guys, these right here are lava drips. Look at how beautiful they are. They look like crystals almost.
Oh my god, that's nice.
It's really nice.
I'm trying to take a picture of that, I think.
Yeah, take pictures of that. Oh wow, look at all these king crabs over here.
I gotta get the board in there.
Those are massive. I could go for some crab legs now.
Ha! Here's your Liberty Bibbity right here
Oh,
for Dexy. You're sitting at the mom today.
there's a shrunken head. It's a little hard to see. There it is, guys. Shrunken head. It's kind of hard to see with the reflection.
Mormon crickets.
Some kind of. It says shells of the Jacob. What does it say? Jacob sheep? not sure what that is.
Near Eastern carved blackstone flattened bowls, 2000 BC,
Oh my god.
Mesopotamia. Boy, oh boy.
1800s camel Saturn in the Sahara Desert. That looks uncomfortable. Jeez. That's pretty cool. I think that's a bighorn sheep.
They have a lot of hornets nests here too.
Yeah, I know.
Paper ones.
Well, here's Civil War weapons over here. Some Civil War clothes and stuff. After spending several hours at this incredible stop north of Shoshone, it was time to continue towards our final destination for the day, Sun Valley. I highly recommend a trip to Idaho's Mammoth Cave and Shoshone Bird Museum of Natural History. It was one of the most enjoyable museums I've ever been to. I love the interactive caving aspect of carrying your own light and exploring in the darkness. It felt like a true spelunking adventure. The large collection of taxidermy animals and historic artifacts was simply incredible. The museum was extensive and featured ancient pottery, jewelry, weapons, butterflies, and just about anything you could think of. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this epic spelunking adventure to Idaho's Mammoth Cave. It's definitely worth a stop out here in this remote region of Idaho. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next journey.